Hey everybody, welcome back to Tilling Around Acres. Today we're actually going to be taking a look at some equipment that we have to get used, the Agri-Fab polytoe spiker seeder. And this is what we're going to be used to be planting crimson clover in our field back here. And we're going to be doing that for our bees that we're going to be getting in January, February. And you'll be able to get an idea of how to use them and what they are. And I'll put the links to everything in the description below. The Agri-Fab box came, well, pretty good. There's no damage to the box at all. Everything looks intact. Unboxing the Agri-Fab polytoe spiker spreader, and that's actually going to be used to spread the crimson clover that we're going to be putting out in the field for the bees next year. This is how it comes in the box. I started taking everything out of the box here. I'm going to go ahead and get all this put together. This is a no-till piece of equipment, and I'm going to be pulling my side-by-side. And this was an issue putting together. There were 75 to 100 pieces. None of it was labeled, and it took me about 2 or 3 hours to put together because there were so many pieces. That's one thing that I would recommend from Agri-Fab, is to go ahead and label everything, as well as label all the pieces of equipment, all the bolts, tools, everything that you need to put together in there. I'm not sponsored or anything by this video, so my thoughts are my own, and take that as you will. But it was really a pain to put together. Now we're just going to see how it works. This is where you would adjust the settings on whatever you're going to be dropping. Based upon the seed size. So we'll take a look at the seeds that we're going to be using. So these are the size of the seeds that we're going to be using. I've got it set on 5, or actually I've got it set on 3 right now. And it's recommended 5 to 6 at 3 miles an hour. So we're going to leave it at 3, try and see how it does, and then we'll come back to it and see what happens. So now that we have the seeds planted, we'll find out in a couple weeks whether or not we've got some plants growing around.